Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 2nd to 6th March 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see 0.06% negative move, 156.027 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a medium body and a big lower and upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 2019 level, which is indicating as a positive momentum because it's currently in oversold area. So overall my expectations between positive in according to stochastic RSI. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair like any news or important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. In this one-day chart, you can see a good important support and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Let me just zoom this. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you want to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp. I can teach you and how to become a profitable trader within 2 to 3 weeks. So overall, if you want to apply for it, you can directly contact me or you can directly use the link given in the description to directly buy it. The session will be only one-on-one session, so we don't need to, there are no pre-recorded any videos for or tutorials. I directly teach you live. So if you want to learn, you can contact me directly. So let's now talk about the closing. 156.027 is the closing, and the direct support is 155.961. Direct resistance is 156.312. After direct support, there is a support of 155.700 and then 155.438. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 156.737 and then 157.80. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Also, if you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Also, if you think that these rules are too much for trading, then you can also go for a live real account. I have already given a link in the description of a broker which is called GTCFX. You can directly buy or you can directly register from that link. Then I will share you my Telegram channel which will help you to take better trades anytime that you buy from the GTCFX. So do let me know if you are interested in that as well. So now let's talk about my expectation. Overall, my expectation in USD JPY for this week according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 156.3122 to 156.737. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 155.961 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this, and you can go for a short till this level. Even this level gets breached, then you can go for a short till this level as well. Overall, my expectations will be positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.